Well, welcome back, everybody. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market here. So once again, we have failed to break through that resistance. We've now been sitting up here for several days, right about 8 days in the same area here at this key resistance I identified for you in advance, and now that we're struggling at. So today, we pulled right back down below the daily speed lines here, staying below that key resistance. So, of course, I was keen to focus on shorting today, which is what I did in my live trading. And as we look at the weekly chart here, same thing. Like I said, at the beginning of the week, we rallied up there. We hit these key resistance areas, and we're pulling back from those still. Now tomorrow we have the CPI data, so let's see if that's going to go and be the impetus to push our way through here, or if that's going to cause us to roll over from this key resistance. Either way, we've been building up like a coiled spring here now for, like I said, about 8 days, and tightening. So let's see if that CPI and crude oil inventories and everything can be the impetus to break down from here. So that's what we're going to be watching for very closely. In the meantime, because we were hitting that resistance and failing it still at this point, my focus was primarily on short side trading on an intraday basis. I'm kind of letting the market wait to tell me which way it wants to go from this consolidation, and then we'll give you updated information on the key areas to watch in the biases and how I'm looking to trade it. But on the intraday basis, focusing on short side trades here. I'm going to cover this a lot more, like with the live trading that I did today. But as you can imagine, like key indicators, like my trade rescue package, the TRP program, going and firing off, and then pushing down to key targets here. Those were some of the kind of things I was focusing on. You can see across the board in wealth charts tools here inside of the TRP. We would fire off a sell side. It would not break back above the stop loss, and it went in pushed down here. So we'll talk more about that tomorrow. I want to combine that with some training here on key tools like the stochastics in that tomorrow as well. Something that all of you have access to in your platforms there. So it's going to be some really great training. I haven't done this since December of last year, so it's been like 8 months, over 8 months now since I did that. So you really want to make sure you get to this class tomorrow night. We'll discuss more of my live trading, answer your questions, and help you every way we can here to make the back half of the year as exciting as possible. So join me tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Pacific. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Becomeabettertrader.com/go, and I will see you guys there tomorrow evening there for that very, very special class that we haven't done in a long time. And we've added some excitement there with some of the stochastic work and incorporating different things together. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Have a great night, gang. I will see you tomorrow night. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.